this is it, guys. So we're heading to Tampa to meet our family there. And excited na si Jody Me. Makikita niyo na ang kanyang brother and sisters, kanyang mga niece and nephew, tsaka grandkids, no? Alex, makikita na namin yung makikita na natin family natin yan. So yeah, so we're heading Tampa now, and we're at I-95 and I-75 right now. So probably it's gonna be around 4 hours from now. Okay guys, see you in a bit. Bye. Okay guys, so dito na kami sa rest area. Pit stop namin, first pit stop sa I-75 Alligator Alley. Yun. Guys, meron dito recreational area. Maglalakad kami dyan mamaya habang pahinga. Hello Jody Me. Heading to Tampa.
Good morning.
Morning. Yeah, so we're gonna work there for a bit exercise today. Ganda ng rest area nila rito. Ayun guys, area nila rito sa Alligator Alley. Ito yung mga truck stop nila yan. Yun yung dalawa. So makapag-rest muna kami sandali bago kami dumiretso sa Tampa, kasi after nitong rest area na to, isa no man's land. Dumiretso na. Hi Jody Me. Hi Alexandra, my beautiful daughter Alexandra. There you go. Ito ko nang wasin nila, namin mo na rito. Okay. So ito yung nila. Walang bahay dito. Kasi for the wilds. Exclusively. And we are here at Alligator Alley. There you go. So ito yung mga wilds dito sa Alligator Alley. So it's a reserve for wilds. Galing oh, iningatan nila yung mga wilds sila rito. Puro swamp. Ayos ah. Kaya puro parang narinig niyo yung parang mga kuliglig na ayan. Parang gano'n. Parang ito yung pinaka-stretch muna namin bago kami bumiyahe another 4 hours going to Tampa, Florida. Hi Alexandra Canopio. How are you? There you go. Ang ganda ng swamp po, guys, oh. Jody Me, ganda ng swamp. There you go. Ay, ganda oh. I believe this was renovated last year, no, kuya? And they reopened it. Ayos ah. Ang ganda ng baba oh. Look at that. Puro siya water lily. Amazing. Naka-fence yan, no? Exclusive lang yan sa habitat nila, sa reptiles. Galing ah. And smells so good here. Smells nature. Hello. Jody Me. Ganda oh. As in, puro rito. Nature. Walang bahay dito. Pero hindi pala naging wildfires dito nung araw. Ayan. Ayan. Ayos ah. There you go. Ang ganda oh. You know. Florida's Alligator Alley. Hindi na kami nag-turnpike kasi dapat dadaan muna kami ng Orlando, kaya lang hindi na. Nag-Alligator Alley na lang kami, I-75. 75. That's going to Miami South, and this is going to Tampa, Clearwater, going to north. Yan, sa north yan. Naka-terrace niya. So pag umulan, pwede kang mag-stay dito, anak, no? Actually, sana may coffee pala tayo, anak, rito. Oh.
Yeah, there's no at the second rest area.
Yeah. I mean, we have coffee in the car.
Yeah.
I mean, we can bring it here, no? Ganda. Ganda. Ganda ng rest area nila rito, recreation area nila. So rest area siya. Tapos meron ding track pit dito na pwede sila mag-rest, no? Ang ganda. Ayun, no? Yung sa horizon, kita mo yung Fort Lauderdale, malayo na. Masyadong malayo na. Ayan. Ano, ang ganda man, no? You like it? Cause you are my lady. You're everything I need, you more. So ito, pababa na kami. Yan. Yan si Jody Mee, ha? Yan. Hi, Jody Mee, again. Ayan, babaan tayo. Ganda.
Oh, right away?
Okay yung alligator alley, no? Ganda. Ano na kami, pabalik na kami ng sasakyan, babiyahe na kami to Tampa. Ayan. Nasa si Jody Mee, yun, no? Ayan. Ayan. Balik na kami ng sasakyan. Oo, recreation nga eh. Ayan. Ayan. At salamat sa kaya na to at kami safe na binabiyahe palagi, no? Ma. Ayan, okay. Ayan. It's a Pennsylvania plate. Here's a rent-a-car. So it came from Pennsylvania. Ayan na. Alligator alley, Manas, no? Naka-fence yan, no? Habitat nila yan, eh. Galing nga, eh. I-75, no? Second pit stop, Fort Myers, Knoxville. So second pahinga na namin to. So there you go. See you in a bit. So the machine, the marine, the cruise pay for it, of course.
Train ba yan, anak?
Ay, ganda ng boat na pa.